Hello, intermediate art high school students, which is mostly 10th grade and then like a handful of you 11th and 12th graders. I'm going to go over the assignments for the week in this video of directions. If you know anyone in class that seems confused or maybe is forgetting to do work, please remind them and tell them to watch this video. All right, so first, there are in the stream here on the side 2 upcoming assignments, the weekly one due Friday and the question posted today, which is due later this week. I also want to point out here I posted weekly office hours. So you can always request a private video session with me any day of the week. Whatever time works for you is fine. But otherwise, I will be posting every Tuesday this optional extra help session. If I feel that you're someone that needs more time, I will personally invite you to it. But that'll be posted again on the stream every Tuesday. All right, I'm going to get rid of my face, go to classwork. So I'm in classwork now. The main assignment for this week, which is due Friday, is the college and career choice, where will you go assignment, where we're going to focus on emphasis and color. So I'm going to review this assignment. As always, try to watch the directions video to be sure that your understanding of the assignment is accurate. And I also recommend that you scroll through the video so you have an idea of what's up and coming. Reading through it is usually a good idea as well. For this art assignment, we're going to focus on the theme of college and career choice. You're going to focus on the principle of emphasis and the element of color. And as always, we're looking for originality, technique, confidence, effort, compositional intent, decision making, and the questions are worth half of your grade, while the artwork is worth the other half. So the first thing you're going to answer is here under number 3. There are 3 questions that go to this video. So it's a quick video about portrait photography, and you're going to answer next to anything that in purple says response. So who were early portraits of or about? Make sure you put the answer in your own words. How did photography change portraiture? Same thing, put the answer in your own words. And what are some ways artists use portraiture in photography? What are different things they use portraits to show or to communicate to the viewer? And same thing, you're going to put the answer in your own words here in purple. Then you're going to watch this quick video on color and answer here in your own words. What is color? How do artists use color in visual art? You're going to do the same thing for emphasis below. How is emphasis shown in visual art? And then to create the artwork, you can use any material that you want. It can be digital photo editing. It can be digital drawing and painting. It can be drawing on your plate with ketchup. It can be traditional drawing or traditional painting. Whatever is easiest for you to use right now is fine. I recommend that you use photo editing because I think that'll be the fastest and easiest method for this assignment. So you're going to create a self-portrait, again, whatever technique you want, representing your future college or career goals. It can be both. It can be one. If you're not sure about career, maybe it's just college. If you're not sure about college, maybe it's just career. And again, I recommend using a digital application to edit a selfie. So what that looks like would maybe be even using something as simple as Instagram or Snapchat on your phone to add in different icons, emojis, symbols, graphics, text or paint tools, using those things to edit the photograph to demonstrate your future goals for career or college. Maybe it might be adding in a background. So again, I think that's the fastest one. I recommend you do that. In the reflection and while you're making the artwork, I want you to think about your decisions with color. How are you using color in your self-portrait to create a mood? Is the mood you have about your future one that is confident, bold, daring, calming, reassuring? How do you want people to feel when they're looking at your portrait? Are you using limited color or a lot of the same color? This is going to end soon. All right. And then emphasis should be pretty easy for you to focus on. Think of how you're creating interest and focusing on you, yourself in there. If you want to do this digitally, I've added some apps here. And lastly, I've added a form here for 7 and 8. Make sure that you're using an example from your artwork to back up your answers. I'm not getting enough evidence from a lot of people in 10th grade. All right, email questions.